So we finally got a new van, thank God. It's taken months to find a van. For my sort of budget, it's taken ages, but we finally got a van. It's not the best of looking vans. I'll show you around anyway. It's another VW LT35 because we love these vans. I've just picked it up now, literally just picked it up. So Charlie's on the camera, he'll take you outside, show you around. Don't get too excited. Right, so this is what we got. We got a low roof LT32. Obviously, I'd rather the high top, but trying to find a van at the moment is a pain. So I'll hand it to Charlie and I'll show you about. We've got the obvious rust, what we normally get on these vans. It's got the roof rack, it's got the ladder with it. We got a bit more rust over this side, but these arches actually aren't that bad. They're not that bad, to be fair. I've seen a lot worse. We've got the rust on the sliding door, and we got the rust on this arch here. It is what it is. I think with the sliding door, I'm gonna have to get it welded. I'll probably get a section welded in for the sliding door. But with the rust here, it's all solid underneath, so I think I'm gonna take that back to bare metal, treat it, edge prime it, and see how I go with it. But yeah, this is what we got. 2.5 TDI, engine's absolutely mint, but a bit of work to do. Inside, as usual, just an empty panel van. But yeah, we're off to Euro car parts now to grab some filler and some other bits and get cracking with this bodywork. Bulkhead is out. I've lifted the floor up, and there you go. The beauty of working on a builder's van or an ex-builder's van. Loads of it, but we'll get it all cleaned up. A nice clean base to work with. I've treated these little bits with rust converter. I'll fill them, spray them, put the insulation down, put the floor down. That's the floor done. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm going to fit these side windows. Welcome back to part 2. Right, so what I've got to do, I've got to, this bar going down, I've got to cut the top, cut the bottom, and it will just pop off. On. I'll go around the edge with some white spirits and a cloth, clean it up, and there we have it. Well, it's 8 o'clock, it's been a busy day. That's both windows and the roof vent done. It's Sunday morning, and I never thought I'd say it, but it's raining, and I'm glad because I can check these windows and the roof vent just to see if it's leaking or anything, and they're not. They're nice and dry. They've gone off all right. All done and sorted, thank God. Alright, it's time to make some good use of this pallet wood. That's going to be the cladding for the walls. All the walls can be done in that. So here's a little bank holiday Monday update. The progress over the last 3 days. So we've got both windows in. We've got the roof vent in, That's all pallet wood, strip pallet wood. It's got to be sanded and varnished. That come up lovely. We've got the bed base on. Flying. This double bed's going to be a slider as well, so I'm going to have that side slide into it and make that a single, so I can get little motorbikes or push bikes or whatever down there, because it is a low roof. Good morning. It's Sunday morning, 9 o'clock, and we're back at it already. I've just gone to the tool station to get some screws, and yeah, we're back at it. I'm tired, but the sun's shining, so it's all good. So we are on week number 3 of owning the van. Obviously I'm only working evenings and bits on the weekends, but I'll show you the progress update and see how we're getting on now from the last time you see it. We're getting there. It looks like a bit of a pallet wood overkill at the moment, but once it's all painted it's different colours and everything else, should be lovely. I've got my power in. Upside down, I've got to change that round. So I'll start wiring everything in now, all my lights and everything else. Power's in here. Hold on, let me move this stuff off the seat. There we go, the beauty of editing. Right, oh. Come on. It's a bit of a mess still, I've got to tidy it up still, but my leisure battery's in, my split charge system's in. That power cable goes all the way round the back into my fuse board. Sorry about the lighting. From the fuse board it goes over there into my switchboard. So another week's gone, it's another Sunday, another trip to tool station. But while I'm parked down there, I'll give you a little progress update, I'll give you a little look around, show you what. So, the floor's down. Please bear in mind that it's all got to be sanded, painted and everything else. Bed's sort of done. I've got to put some legs on it, but that then will pull out to a double. The double bed's done. I say done, near enough done, a few little touches. But I've got that on a slider as well. I'll tell you what, let me strap the camera up and I'll show you how I've done it. So, I've now got the bed as a slider. So that moves right forward, and we've got all this area here to put whatever we want in it, which is a big area. Spot on. I'll tell you what I am struggling with is colour, what colour to do the van, and I'm struggling with, do I Raptor paint it, do I Rust-Oleum it, what colour would I go with? So if you guys get any ideas or anything else, let us know, honestly, in the comments, just put them in there. I'm open to yeah, let me know. Right, I'm back home. I've got a decent sander that I've borrowed off my good old mate Stephen, and I'm going to sand this floor and see how it comes out. It's all set up, let's give it a go. Difference in that already. All I've got at the moment is 120 grit, and really I need something a bit like 80 grit or 60 grit just to take it right down, but it's doing the job.